All right. Hello, my name is Ben Amos, and this is Andrew Steen, and we've been working on a project ever since the beginning of fall of last semester, and extended throughout the spring semester as well. Basically, we were assigned a real-world client from the Iowa and K-State Extension team to take kind of an existing spreadsheet, an Excel sheet that farmers have been using to plan their tasks for maintaining and upkeeping cow reproduction. And we're taking this Excel spreadsheet and turning it into a mobile application that is significantly easier to be updated and make changes, as well as a little bit more accessible to farmers. And so I'll go ahead and let Andrew kind of showcase and kind of walk through the project that we came up with.
Yes, so what we wound up creating was a website-based solution. And so our main goal was to take what they had and add a few features, but also just make it easier to use, not only easier to maintain. So we just broke it up into a few different steps so that it's not everything at once, which was what the current Excel sheet does. And we also added the ability to split up your groups of cattle. So say you have too many cattle to do all at once, you can still create, you can basically create one calendar that has all the different tasks for the different groups that you need. So then you just go through and give your inputs. These are the required inputs for the different protocols that the Beef Reproduction Task Force has developed. And once you select those, it'll give you an option for, or more than one option potentially, for recommended protocols. It'll give you a description, and then you can choose when you want to start breeding. So let's just say tomorrow. And as you can see, it'll then draw up a calendar, and it'll put the name of the group. So if you have two groups, you offset by like 12 hours or something like that. It'll show both of those in their respective place, and then it'll give you the step. And then since the current implementation was an Excel sheet, it's pretty easy to print it off, which some people might find easier, and it can definitely be easier depending on like the farm hands and all that. So we still have that, retain that ability to just print out a calendar, but since it is a website-based solution, we added the ability to download it so that you can download the calendar file and then just put it on your phone's calendar or like your email calendar or something like that. And you can also just share this file with anyone who needs to know what tasks are happening when, and it's just a little bit easier to maintain potentially than just handing out paper copies and all that. So yeah, that's the solution we came up with for the Beef Reproduction Task Force for their cattle reproduction scheduling planner. Hope you enjoyed.